In this video, we'll take a look at how you can remove the I agree with SimplyBook.me terms and conditions checkbox from your booking form. Please note that it's only possible to remove this checkbox if you're using our booking widget with a personal website, or if you've registered a domain name that you would like to map to your booking page. We should also point out that Premium and Premium Plus users don't have this checkbox, so you can consider upgrading your plan. If you're not interested in upgrading but would like to remove the SimplyBook.me terms and conditions checkbox, it will be necessary to enable and configure the SMTP feature first. You can refer to a dedicated video on setting it up or find a detailed article in the description below. Next, you can add the widget to our website if this is the option you want. Kindly refer to a dedicated video or find a detailed article in the description if you haven't added the widget yet. Next, navigate to Settings, Design Settings, click Show All Themes, and choose the blank theme for your booking page to hide it. This will give you the option to redirect your booking page to your website if you like. Apply the changes and navigate to Custom Features, Terms and Conditions to enable and configure them. It's required that you mention SimplyBook.me Limited as a supplier in your terms and conditions, after which you'll be able to toggle the relevant switch. If you want to use a custom domain, you should set this feature up according to the relevant video tutorial or help article in the description and configure SMTP and terms and conditions as described previously. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.